What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today, as you can see back there, we are out here at Insurance Auto Auctions, aka IAA, and we're going to take a look at some heavies and some other interesting things. We'll hit the heavy yard first, and then we'll hit the main yard, which has more stuff, but we're going to check out some of that stuff. And you guys have been asking me for RVs, or mostly RVs, and that's what we're going to get into in today's video. Barring like a Lambo or something else crazy, we're going to check out heavy stuff. Perfect. All right, guys, welcome on back in. And we got heavies out here today. We have one right here. We'll check that out later. I got to make sure we can actually go into that one. Whew, we got some smashed semi trucks. This trailer has seen better days. Wow. How you hit something so hard you mangle the rim? Jesus. And it looks like there's like blood or whatever it was transporting all inside the wall. Some type of vegetable or something. Yeah. Jesus, that was a mess. All right. So what we're here for today, guys, is we're going to look at different RVs. We got a few back here we can look at. And then we got some on the main yard we're going to look at. What's funny is this RV has been here, left, and come back again. I think somebody bought it. Homeless person like probably was using it, put it on Bureau of Land Management, and then got in trouble and they towed it, and it's here again. I've done a video on that before. Oh, this is an old P30 platform. Old Chevy P30 platform, and that thing is completely toasted. Yeah. Got a boat here though. Haven't seen that before. Out here, not like this on a trailer. That's crazy. Huh. Well, we're gonna look at this one first. This one is a F550 Ford. I think this would be called a Class C, right? Okay, let's see what the damage is first. We can see it took a little boop boop to the back. Just a little boop boop right there. You can see the damage. We'll try to squeeze by here and not get cut by this fiberglass. Ooh, my balls. Oh, yeah. Just a little bit of a boop boop. You know what I'm saying? Just a boop boop. For real, you probably, damn, because it's right there at the window. If it didn't split that wood all the way up. But it's wood. That's the wonderful thing about this. This is not, like, this is a fiberglass coat out on the outside. But it's like really thin. See this wood? And then you see the styrofoam? That's really all this is. So this is it worth being repaired? As long as that slide out isn't damaged, if you can put this back together, you know, just repair this. I mean, unless there's something in there that you have to access, I'd close this off, right? And just replace. You could fix it. It all depends on what it sells for, right? It has to be worth it to do it. So let's check out the interior, see what she looks like. Oof. Uh-oh. Please no. Please no. Oh, is that kitty litter everywhere? Oh, okay. All right. Let's see how we're gonna do this today. Son of a bitch. All right. Oh. Stinks like shit in here. All right, we see this, and it's all over the place, and it's rocks too, though. It's not just kitty litter, so it's almost like, did somebody pour sand in here, or pour the rocks and sand in here? It's all up front. Look at this shit. I'm wondering what would throw all of this sand and rock and stuff up here. If somebody knows, please tell me, because I am in shock right now. I thought this was kitty litter, and I was like, well, that's not what's going to cause the smell, because it smells like straight shit in here. Like, Whew. You know what? And we got food items and stuff here. That still closes, so that's a positive. See if this lifts up. Oh, it doesn't fully close though, so that might be damaged. And you can see there's some light coming in over there by the bed. But I don't know, this could be fixable. I think this could be fixable. Now, I know better, but oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I hate that smell, man. Oh. Alright, moral of the story is if you go into an old RV like this, do me a favor. Don't open the refrigerator, all right? Just don't open it. Don't do it. Let me be the guinea pig for you, okay? Oh, I just want to know where all this crap, I just don't understand where all this came from. So anyways, interesting a little bit. Wonder what's up with that. And yeah, weird. The only thing I can think of is maybe the door was open, but that wouldn't have picked up big rocks. The wind wouldn't have blew that in, but you see there's a bunch of it right here, so I don't know, man. I don't know. Big Ford. Oh, it's got damage to the front too. Do you see the, I just see that. Uh-oh. I wonder if this thing like flipped or something, because I'm a little shocked as to this. Like, I don't understand how you get dirt and stuff all up here. Let's see if she's got any power. Didn't think so. Like, how do you get dirt? I don't get it. I don't understand. Doesn't compute in my brain. Huh. Imperial sand dunes. So somebody, you know what? Somebody had it out here at the dunes. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. Next, we have the bus. Basically, an Imperial. It's what it's called. Dual rear axle. This is like a bus. Big boy, diesel. Cummins, as you see right there on the rear. Holiday Rambler. Let's go. Uh-oh. Say it with me. Say it with me. Toasty. This shit is a wrap. Toasty. Finish him. This shit is a wrap. Once they get burned like this, look, I can see the ash stains and stuff on the leather already. Once they get burned like this, that's kind of a wrap. Now I know some people would say, but look at this. It's totally fixable. Yeah. You're forever gonna have that smell in here. Like that just burnt smell, and you can see like the lights and shit covered in it because they hosed everything down in here, right? So shit is basically destroyed in here, and you can see the burn back there. So like the slide out is destroyed. You're not fixing any of that. That shit is a wrap. So unfortunately, I mean, nice bus. I mean, it was cool. Good parts bus, I guess you would call it. Somebody's already ripping shit out of here too. That's not good. I hate when you have people that come out here and they try to scavenge shit at the auction. You should have your damn privileges revoked. At least all that's still here. All right. Well, this one's much shorter than I expected, but yo, when you see it, oh shit. Oh, my foot just got caught. Whew, there we go. When you see them toasted like this, that's it. There's really nothing else you're gonna do. And where the gas lines and stuff burned, and it burned all that up, it also destroyed this area over here for the slide out. I just don't see, I'm not saying it can't be repaired, I just don't see how you do it. I just don't see it. All right, next we have this Edge fifth wheel. Now I don't know if this is a toy hauler slash RV or not. Well, we're gonna find out. Open. First time the camera overheated. All right, hopefully she doesn't glitch out or whatever on you guys, but we'll see. So we're in here. This one actually looks kind of nice. Doesn't smell like raw badoosie in here. No asshole smell. All right. And I wonder why this one is here. Now this one is listed as a flood. I don't see any water damage per se. I'm looking at the ceiling. I don't see anything there. Could be that it just got damaged in an accident and it rained or something a little bit and they called it flood. The slide outs look good. The shitter looks good. Bathroom looks good. Oh, there's actually toilet paper in here. I'm not going to open that thing because someone's probably shit in it. That slide out looks good. The bedroom back here. So not bad on this one. Let's take a look around the outside and see if we can see where the damage is. Oh, it is sitting low. That's for sure. And I don't know if that's the shock that it's the stand that it's, yeah, okay, that's damaged. So the stand that the jack that it's sitting on is damaged. I don't see anything out here. I'm not seeing anything particularly outside. Okay, I see dent. Okay, down here. Well, unfortunately, it is too damn hot for the camera. So I'm gonna have to plan this better. I'm gonna bring a cooler with me, a small cooler, something with ice in it where I can stick the camera, because you know it's waterproof, stick the camera in the ice to help keep it cool every time it overheats, to allow me to be able to get through a full video. But let's just call this a bonus video. And what we're gonna do now is let's go ahead and look directly through IAA, through the app, and see if there's any good buy it now, running and driving, or good RV deals that you can see directly through the app. I know this sucks for you guys because you're like, oh, we're just getting into it. You already puked. This is awesome. We'll get into a full video. I will get into a full video here very, very, very soon. What I got to do now is I got to get something that's like an ice pack or something to keep with me to sit on the camera to keep it cool. Because right now it's 108 degrees out here, so that means the phone inside is probably cooking at like 130, 140, something like that. And the camera just keeps shutting down, which I also know before it does shut down, it will glitch and make the video a little eh. So we want to have good quality audio, good quality video for you guys. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So bonus video, not a super long video for you guys today. We'll go into the app and we'll look and see if we can find any good deals through the app RV wise. And then I promise I'll give you guys a very long, we'll shoot for like a 45-minute full RV video where I go over all the inventory and all that stuff again here really soon. If you looked at some of the recent videos and you like what we're doing and you like the channel, do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. We're rapidly approaching 75,000 subscribers, and before you know it, we're going to be at 100, and that's literally a testament to you guys sharing these videos on social media, and I truly appreciate it. But anyways, let's go ahead, let's go jump over to the app and let's see if we can find any good deals.
Well, my mama met my daddy down in Alabama. They tied the knot so
and what we're gonna do now is we'll get in here and look at a few. Now there's some that you're gonna find like this that obviously you're not fixing these, right? Like this is literally scrap. You might be able to salvage like windows and different parts of the slide out, but like the RV itself is destroyed, right? You're not doing anything with something like this. Now there are other ones in here, a lot of fifth wheels. You'll see there are a lot of pull behinds. I have no idea why a scooter is in the RV section, but okay. But there is a ton that you can find, and this is, now granted, these are all over the country, but that's when you're going to find the best deal. Sometimes you're going to have to travel to get something decent, right? So let's keep looking. They got some new stuff in here. 2022 collision and right rear. Let's look at this Keystone RV. This one is brand new, supposedly. Collision in the right rear. So okay, let's look at these. Let's look at this photo. And yeah, I mean, that's fixable, man. Definitely something you could repair. And that's basically a brand new RV. And you'd probably get it for a song because of the damage. Yeah. Huh. Not bad. Trying to see if I see like an old P30 or a Provost or something like that. You never know what you're going to find out here at the auction. It's literally crazy, man. Here's one. Here's a Provost. See? That's beautiful, right? Those things are, I think they're awesome, those buses. This one's in Miami. Mechanical, and it's waiting on title. Well, I'm going to add it to my list anyway. I want to see it. But not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. You know what I'm doing with that, right? Thumbnail! Alright, let's go back. So, like I said, I'm not going to keep you guys all day. I just wanted to add a couple minutes here to show you. Like, you can literally go into the app and find all these for yourself. Like, here's one. Here's a 97. It only has 33,000 miles on it. An E450 Econoline. Now, the interior is probably a disaster. Actually, not so much. It looks like the roof has a little bit of waves in it up there. Like it might have been leaking. But that is definitely repairable. Yeah, roof damage. So I had a leaky roof. Definitely repairable. Huh. Well, there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed today's video and you like what I do, and like I said before, give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned. Like I said, I will get like an ice pack or something like this full of ice where I can shove the phone in it, or the camera or the GoPro or some semblance of a mixture of the three, so we can get a full long video in. Luckily, we're almost at the end of the 100-degree weather. I mean, we're going to be getting back into the 80s and stuff here shortly, as it is getting into the end of August. So we'll see what happens. But anyways, there you have it, guys. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys for all the growth and all the craziness. You know, the views have been insane lately here on the channel, and that's literally a testament to you guys sharing this stuff out. Videos coming for you guys very soon on the Petty Roosevelt. Yes, it is done. I have a new intro and a bunch of other stuff I'm working on, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will catch you guys very soon on the next one.